2018 Contenders, Bird, 34-41. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll, we're going 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did I say? I said 7. 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Brownies up top. Broncos at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Joe up top. John Plua at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Browns didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads, guys. Good luck. Here we go. You got it, Terry. Again, Terry, I'll pull those for you. Can that break is halfway full, guys? Select draft, FOTL, halfway full. Tribute has only 12 left. Take your spots on the site in those breaks. Good luck here, guys. Good luck, 2018 Contenders. Here we go. That's a monster. Good luck, good luck. Washington, DJ Chark. First ink, Ronald Jones. On the auto, rookie ticket for the Buccaneers from Ryan Chapman. DJ Moore on the rook, Melvin Gordon. Team Quads, Minnesota Vikings. I still got a couple people on the site, John. I'm worried someone might have them in their cart. I don't want to pull them just yet. Tom Brady, MVP Contenders. Carr and Mixon. So if you just want to take them on the site, John, I believe you can pay Venmo through the site as well. But if they're still there, and I have no active carts after this break, and I should be able to pull them. Eno Smith, Kalen Ballage, Kalen Jarvis. Andrew Luck, MVP Contenders, Joe Flacco. We got here Antonio Brown playoff ticket to 175 for the Steelers. Steelers going to JF on the AB. Kiki Kuti. Derrick Henry. You guys, 5 left in NT. Leighton Vander Esch. To 99. Nice ticket there for the Cowboys. Going to Basso. Another nice rookie. Nice hit there, Basso. Again, 40 out of 99 on the Leighton Vander Esch. Playoff ticket auto. Cortland Sutton on the rook. Cooper and Jordan Howard. Terry Bradshaw, Legendary Contenders, Jay Ajayi. You guys take your squads on the site. Select draft Bird on the move. That's halfway full. Antonio Brown, MVP Contenders. Tom Brady. Topps Tribute has only 12 left. That hits the screen soon. The repack has only 10 left. Take them on the site. Minka and Derwin James. And on these ones, we're just going to go left, right on the random. Either go to the left or to the right. Vincent Smith on the autograph for Houston. Going to Derek Schwenk, Vincent Smith. Jamon Moore, Jordy Nelson. Forgot Jordy played for the Raiders. Team Quads, New York Giants. Where you at, Josh? Where you at, Josh Allen? Marcus Ball. /99 on the playoff ticket for the Raiders. Going to JF. Marcus Ball. This guy was a Buckeye. Lawrence Taylor. Fitz and Jalen Ramsey. Josh Rosen. Von Miller. Brandon Powell for the Lions on the rookie ticket auto. Brandon Powell. Detroit to JF. Saquon and Sony Michel. Patty Mahomes. Last pack. Derek Carr, Marvin Jones. And quick recap. Brandon Powell, Marcus Ball, Vincent Smith, Leighton Vander Esch /99, AB /175, and Ronald Jones on the rookie ticket. And let's do the random real quick for these round numbers. Again, we go left and right. Let me load these real quick. Can go on the left and right. Good luck, good luck. Dice roll. Go 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here. 9 right here. The left player on all those cards takes them down. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.